I think everybody agrees. If we achieve more compassionate sort of humanity, more compassionate society, it's much better, isn't it? I think everybody sort of agree that. Then the question is how to develop that. Now here usually I feel three ways. One, theistic religion put emphasis on importance of faith. Faith towards whether you call God or Allah, something we describe the infinite love. So more faith towards that, naturally more wishing to follow similar quality, or at least some. It takes something like a model. So we try to follow that. That's one way. And then also, I think the concept of hell and heaven, that also is a try to. So if you practice compassion, these good things, the ultimate result reach heaven. If you're killing, all these negative things do, and hell, God cannot help. Or God deliberately create that way, isn't it? That's one way to promote these basic value. And then second, non-theistic religion, which the whole system is based on concept of law of causality. So from that viewpoint, if you've done good things, if you do good things, good thing means you bring some happiness or joyfulness to others, you get happiness. If you do harm other, bring pains and suffering on other, you have to face consequences, similar consequences. So that's one way approach, increasing this good quality. Now, as I mentioned before, out of 6 billion, if we go realistic way, how many out of 6 billion truly, sincerely practice or follow their teaching, their religious teaching? Not many. As I mentioned earlier, even Buddhist. And many Christian, Islam, Jews, I think the family belongs Christian or Buddhist or Hindus, like that. But their day-to-day life, so
their day-to-day life, then it's, as the Tibetan master said, that people have a tendency to say, the scriptures say such and such, but...
So that I feel majority of the 6 billion, I think, belongs to that category. So, firstly, there is majority. So, very important part of the humanity. So, we must find ways, means, to bring conviction to these people. Now, no use is to talk God, no use to talk hell and heaven, no use to tell law of causality. So now, on the basis of our day-to-day reality, so that usually I call secular way. These values also basically secular values. These are not come from religion. I believe young children, or even some extent animal, also appreciate these values, but not come from religious faith. So firstly, non-religious sort of value, right? And secondly, these are universal value. And so, since it is basic, these values, basic aim itself is non-secular, secular thing, marriage, secular sort of value. So therefore, the way to increase or promote these things also should be secular way, non-religious. Now secular, some, my friend, say secular, as I mentioned yesterday, some say the secular the secular is not good. There's some sort of meaning, rejection of religion. But some say, no problem. Rejection, secularism, according Indian, many Indian, and some Indian, even some reservation. So they generally, what do you think as an Indian?
I think of secularism as assimilation of all religion or acceptance of all religion.
Oh, it doesn't do that. So, secular means respect all religion, no preference this religion, that, and also hopefully, and now according new reality, must respect non-believer. So then, it's a fit secular way to approach promotion of secular ethics in order to achieve, in order to build happier human society. So do you think, is it worthwhile make attempt?
Yes.